Here's what we found, Jacqueline.
Ew, that's disgusting.
My sister's tub was draining really slow, so I thought I'd show you guys exactly how easy and how fast it is. It'll take you more time digging out the junk than it does to take it apart and put it back together. It seems like every style of tub drain stopper unscrews one way or another. I demonstrate here how it sometimes turns and never comes out. That's because the cap is the only thing that comes off. This one happens to be a Pfister brand. There's plastic threads on the bottom, so now you just need to remove it with a screwdriver. Keep watching because I pull out a chunk about the size of a rat. Up next is the fun part. Go ahead and grab a barf bag, screwdriver, or needle nose pliers, which is what I recommend, which you'll see here in a little bit. Feel free to skip ahead on the chapters below, but I figured some people would get a kick out of this. It's amazing just what you'll find in here, and yes, that is a water balloon. This is the kids' bathroom, and it was brand new 3 years ago, so it doesn't take long to build up a whole bunch of junk. Oh, here comes the big one. We're not done here yet, but if you've liked the video so far, maybe I could talk you into liking it and go ahead and consider subscribing. Let's go show Jacqueline.
Here's what we found, Jacqueline.
Ew, that's disgusting.
That was in your sink. A balloon, some toilet paper, and a lot of hair.
Oh yeah, a balloon. I believe that. They have water balloons in there.
When you reinstall your drain stopper, the only thing you need to worry about is not cross-threading those plastic threads. And it's just plastic, so you don't need to get it too tight. Put your little cap back on, and that's it. Now you should watch what I think is the best shower head in the top left corner.